Giveaway.
Let's do it. All right, guys. Drum roll, please. Bum, 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 bum.
Boom. Hey, Xianne TV.
Xianne TV has won our first giveaway. Congratulations, Xianne. That is awesome, man. I'll be contacting Mark here in the future, and I'll be contacting him today. I believe he's actually in the stream. I'm not too sure, but congratulations, guys. Give them a round of applause. Xianne TV. Awesome, man. Awesome. Congratulations, Xianne TV. Guys, give him a congratulations.
Sweet.
You guys are rating me. Not too sure what that means. Thank you for being in the chat.
Yeah, thanks for viewing. Whatever rating is.
Thanks for viewing, man.
All right. You're giving us views.
Congratulations, man.
Congratulations.
I know it's Mark, but his daughter, Xianne TV. Congratulations. I know that's his daughter's YouTube account. Caleb, welcome back, man. You just missed it. Xianne TV has won the giveaway. So big congratulations there.
This one.
Enjoy your brick head, Xianne and Mark, Stud City from Chris Rando's stage.
Wow. What did he say?
Thank you.
Thank you too. Thank you, Stud City and Chris.
Can you show them?
Thank you, Stud City.
Wow, that's so cool.
Cool?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Stud City, for this amazing prize. Lego Brickhead Birthday Clown. Thank you.